World Ozone Day is observed on September 16th every year to spread awareness among people about the depletion of ozone layer and find possible solutions to preserve it. On this day, people from all over the world hold talks and seminars on the ozone layer. Educators teach students about the benefits of the ozone layer and special events and activities to organize spread awareness.
The ozone layer protects the planet from ultraviolet rays of the sun. Ozone is made up of 3 atoms of oxygen. It is highly reactive gas and is represented by 3. It occurs naturally as well as a man-made product in the Earth's upper atmosphere, stratosphere, and lower atmosphere. The ozone layer is present in Earth's atmosphere in the lower portion of the stratosphere and has relatively high concentrations of ozone. Naturally, it is formed through the interaction of solar UV radiation with molecular oxygen too. It reduces the harmful UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface. The main cause of ozone depletion and the ozone hole is manufactured chemicals, especially manufactured halocarbon, refrigerants, solvents, propellants, and foam blowing agents. Since the early 1970s, scientists observed reduction in stratosphere ozone and it was found more prominent in polar regions. ODS substances have lifetime of about 100 years.
Montreal Protocol was proposed in 1987 to unite the world to cut out production or and import of ozone depleting substances. The Montreal Protocol faces down the consumptions and production of the different ozone depleting substances ODAs in a stepwise manner with different timetables for different developing countries. Every individual should also take steps to prevent the depletion of the ozone layer. One should avoid using pesticides and shift to natural methods to get rid of pests instead of using chemicals. The vehicles emit a large amount of greenhouse gases that lead to global warming as well as ozone depletion. Therefore, the use of vehicles should be minimized as much as possible. Most of the cleaning products have chemicals that affects the ozone layer. We should substitute that with eco-friendly products. Maintain air conditioners as their malfunctions cause CFC to escape into the atmosphere.
Number 1. Universal ratification. On 16 September 2009, the Vienna Convention and the Montreal Protocol became the first treaties in the history of the United Nations to achieve universal ratification. Number 2. Kigali Amendment. parties to the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer reached agreement at their 28th meeting at the parties on 15th October 2016 in Kigali, Rwanda to face clown hydrofluorocarbon HFCS.
The ozone hole and science. Following the publication of the findings of a British Antarctica survey article in May 1985, the phenomenon of ozone depletion over Antarctica was referred to as the ozone hole, a phrase first attributed the Nobel Prize winner Sherwood Rowland. The satellite image of the ozone hole has become a global symbol of this environmental threat that has helped mobilize a public support for the Montreal Protocol. The work of atmospheric scientists and environmental research continues to play a pivotal role in informing the policymaking under the Montreal Protocol. Images and scientific bulletins about ozone depletion are useful communication tools to the public about progress made and challenges. After the discovery, governments around the world moved quickly to agree the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer in 1987. The Montreal Protocol came into force in 1989 and set mandatory targets for phasing out the production and consumption of ozone depleting substance. The Montreal Protocol is the first international treaty to, to be now ratified by all 197 member countries of the international community. By working together, all countries have helped reduce the amount of ODS released into the atmosphere. Avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer due to their content or manufacturing process. Some of the most dangerous gases are CFCs, halogen high carbon, methyl bromide, and nitro oxide. Minimize the use of cars. The best transportation option is urban bicycling or walking.